English to Pashto short sentences. What brings you here? څنګه راتلو شو؟ What brings you here? Take me to that place. ما دغه ځای ته بوزه. Take me to that place. He is lunatic. هغه لیونی دی. He is lunatic. I narrowly escaped falling. زه لږ وم چې ورتاو شوی به وم. I narrowly escaped falling. Kindly meet me today. مهرباني وکړه نن ما سره میلاو شه. Kindly meet me today. Don't rip up the people. حلق ملوټا. Don't rip up the people. We didn't make a mistake. مونږ غلطی نه ده کړې. We didn't make a mistake. You are only meant for me. ته صرف ما د پاره جوړه شوې. You are only meant for me. Who is to blame? قصوروار څوک دی؟ Who is to blame? Eyes are deceptive. سترګې دوکه ورکوي. Eyes are deceptive. It's a sin. دا ګناه ده. It's a sin. Apply oil on your hair. ویښته غوړ کا. Apply oil on your hair. Neither I ate nor drank. نه می خواړه وکړو او نه سکا. Neither I ate nor drank. Shall I go? آیا مالت لپکار دی؟ Shall I go? Get your hair trimmed. خپل ویښته واړه کا. Get your hair trimmed. Let it be here. پریږده چې دا دلته یي. Let it be here. I am completely assured. زما پوره امید دی. I am completely assured. Please ring me up. ما ته فون وکا. Please ring me up. Do not laugh at him. هغه پورې مه خانده. Do not laugh at him. Mop the floor. فرش پوچه کا. Mop the floor. I smiled to myself. زه ځان سره مسکی شوم. I smiled to myself. Why are you staggering? ته کوږ وږ ولې ځې؟ Why are you staggering? I resemble my mother. زه خپلې مور په شان یم. I resemble my mother. Did I get you right? آیا زه در باندې صحیح پوه شوم؟ Did I get you right? She eloped with someone. هغه د چا سره وتښتېده. She eloped with someone. Treat me as your own. ما خپل وګڼه. Treat me as your own. It's beyond doubt. په دې کې هیڅ شک نشته. It's beyond doubt. He is forgetful. هغه هیرجن دی. یعنی د هغه نه یریږي. He is forgetful. Who are you to me? ته زما څه کېږي؟ Who are you to me? It's hard to put into words. په لفظونو کې ویل ګرانه ده. It's hard to put into words. Never be apart. هیڅکله مه جدا کېږه. Never be apart. You do not enunciate clearly. ته صفا صفا نه وایې. You do not enunciate clearly. Your eyesight will weaken. ستا نظر به خراب شي. Your eyesight will weaken. I have my own ways. زه خپله کوم. I have my own ways. I took up the shoes. ما پایزار وخکل. I took up the shoes. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.